So here we are with the marathon ambassador, Dr. Sunita Gurara. How are you doing, ma'am?
Was first class, these type of runs, they nurture runners. So I love it and I always support.
So, ma'am, this is the second edition for Run for Life Talent Ki Khoj, and you were here for the flag off. So, ma'am, share something with us regarding your last experience with first edition that Run for Life did.
See, Run for Life is improving day by day.
Yes.
They are doing better job. Their route NCC cadets are superb. And, the dedication, the passion by organizing these small events for local people is wonderful, because these events, they bring out talent, and then talent can go for further improvement. So these are good.
So, ma'am, as in the first, the kids who have, who stood first in the 10 kilometer, the 5 kilometer, the 2.5 kilometers. So, Run for Life is providing an athletic camp.
Yeah,
for them.
and I'm mentoring that camp, and here somebody asked me, I want to go for Olympics. So these young kids, they have passion, they have dreams, but there should be some many opportunities for them to go up to that level. So I was telling them, you have to start from district, then go to state. So they should have proper guidance. I gave running clinic also here. So that camp will give them more knowledge about how to run, how to improve timing.
Ma'am, as you must have observed that there were really, the kids who were running for 600 meters and 2.5 kilometers, and they were really excited, and they want to take this running forward in their future ahead. So what
That's true. These youngsters are the one, they are the talent ki khoj.
Yes.
So really Run for Life is doing wonderful job in khojoing the talent.
Yes,
so they have
absolutely.
Spotting out the talent.
Yes. There are a lot of kids who are still sitting at their homes with their parents.
They should come out and go, if you have local races, they should take part in local races. And you know what, I'm just going with Deepa Karmakar. And in this Olympics, the girls have done wonderful job.
Yes.
Now the slogan should be Beti Khilao or Medal Pao. So I'm off to NDTV for with Deepa Karmakar. She did a wonderful job, and daring, choosing the vault which is known as Vault of Death.
Yes.
So let's see. I'll be with her now. So best of luck to Run for Life. Best of luck to Just Place Post. And bye bye.